Want to know the secret of getting rich? It's not what you think, it's how you think. Napoleon Hill said it best. Whatever the mind can conceive and believe it can achieve. It all starts with a burning desire. Step 1, you see it in your mind's eyes. Visualize the goal with absolute clarity. If you can see it, you can achieve it. Step 2, affirm it. Speak your goal into existence. Hills calls this auto-suggestion. It's like a sort of hypnosis you're doing in your own mind by repeating and imagining your goal again and again and again. Because when you do this, you are impressing this into your mind. Your words literally shape your reality. Step 3, you back this up with a plan and relentless action. This is the part that is missed in here. People think you just think. No, relentless action. A desire without action is just a dream. Hill knew that action is the bridge between your goal and your reality. Step 4, persist. Hill says that the starting point of all achievement is desire, but persistence, that's the fuel to keep the fire burning. Step 5, you need a mastermind. Hill taught the power of like-minded individuals. When the mind connects, something greater occurs, an unstoppable force. So find your tribe. If I resonate with you, apply for Excel Mind. 6, think rich, not just about money. It's about mindset. Hill believes that thoughts are things, and those things create your world. It is your thoughts making you generate these feelings. These feelings are your world, regardless of what happens externally. However, when you internally feels good and you are persisting and you are charging forward towards your goal by taking action, your external reality and your internal reality will align. When those two worlds come together, that's when you'll have what you want. So, if you want to get rich, start with your thoughts, think it, believe it, achieve it. That's the path to true wealth. So, be careful what you wish for. Where your mind commits, your life submits.